has the best cuckoo clock in Switzerland.
Crybaby, you really need to find it?
This is my chance. I really want to bring a cuckoo clock home.
A cuckoo clock? Can you eat that thing?
How could you eat a clock, Uncle Waddles?
Okay, Fry Girl, I'll go with you.
No free range.
But what if you run into those nefarious weasels?
Oh, the weasels?
I can handle them by myself.
Sure, she can take care of herself. Free range? Come.
I'll be back soon. See ya.
But, well, okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye, small fry.
This is our golden chance, Glutton.
Right, Slim. There's only small fry now.
Help us, forefathers. Help us to catch the chickens today.
Now what can we make this time? Let's see. Kung Pao chicken, Mugu Gai Pan, chicken chow mein. Ooh,
There's no need to think about it. We're gonna roast her, of course.
roasted chicken now. Let's see. Ooh, roasted chicken over open flame. And when it's all nice and crispy, sprinkle a little special seasoning on top. Ooh, it must be real good. Wait up, Slim.
Huh? I wonder if it's closed today. This is impossible. It's supposed to be open today. Hello? Is anybody inside? I'm here to buy a cuckoo clock. Hello? Huh? Wow! This is amazing! Wow! I can't believe my eyes! Wow! There's so many beautiful clocks! I don't know which one I should choose now.
This is a good chance. Go.
Okay.
The clocks are about to strike. This'll help me to decide.
Hey, Slim. What does she mean by going to strike?
Whatever. Just focus on the chicken, you fool.
Oh, it's time!
Huh?
Huh? Slim and Glutton?
Oh, my
My
poor
head.
head. Oh. Small fry.
Stop running!
Get her.
Come here, small fry!
She must be here somewhere.
Hey, Slim, what kind of clocks are these? They're so aggressive.
Forget about those stupid clocks. Now bust your butt to find small fry and catch her.
But Slim, will these clocks attack us again?
They only smack us up on the hour.
Hey, look, Slim, this clock is showing a different time than all the other clocks do.
Huh? Oh, there must be something wrong with it. It's gonna strike on the hour. Huh? It looks kind of cute, don't it?
Are you doing okay there, Slim?
I'm fine. Go find small fry.
Okay. Nothing here.
Not here either.
Wow, look at all these pretty clocks. Huh? Huh? Oh, that's interesting. Hey, Slim, look! Here's a clock that looks just like Small Fry here.
Oh no, you moron! It's small fry. Watch your hair.
Wow, this is a huge clock. I'm gonna have some fun.
my
Small fry,
head.
you'll pay for this.
Huh?
Hey, Slim, Glutton, are you looking for me?
Yeah, you're right. Go get her, Glutton. Go on. Hey!
Let the game start. Da-da-da-da!
What the heck's that?
That's a huge clock there.
Leave it alone. Let's go.
Right.
Oh. I think she's picking a fight, Glutton. I think we can take her. Move!
Right.
Hey! Yeah! Hey! Hey! Yeah! Listen, you stupid clock! You better get out of my way! Ridiculous! You think you're gonna frighten us with that stupid
You're so
pose?
silly.
Huh? That's it, Clock!
That hurts.
I'm telling you, you're tangling with the wrong weasel, Cuckoo head! You can't take any action against us now! Take this, you dodo face!
This Slim, clock is not going to stop.
They finally stopped! Oh! I'm tired too! Oh! Not again! No! I can't
think it's stopped for good.
No, starting again! I'm so tired!
Nice dancing show, weasels. Do you want to try something more interesting?
More
interesting?
Run for it! Hit it again!
I think we made it angry!
He's coming! Whoa, Slim, good job!
Oh, yeah.
You beat the clock!
No one dares mess with me, Glutton, do they? Huh?
Small fry!
The remote control isn't working. What should I do?
Come here! Stop!
Stop right there!
Help me!
Come back here, Small Fry! Did you hear that, Slim? Maybe Small Fry's got an ambush set up for us.
Glutton, you're a weasel. We stop at nothing to catch chickens.
Come on, Small Fry! Clock
Clock
again? This clock looks weird.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome. Thanks for visiting.
What a nice shop owner. Wow, I like my lovely cuckoo clock. Huh? It's 12 o'clock.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Good job, Slim and Glutton. Keep up the hard work. See ya, stinking weasels.
Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo.
Quack, quack, 站起王月。